all know that we are discussing the chapter Experiments with Water. Today I will discuss some important questions of this chapter. First question, why a person who cannot swim will not drown in the Dead Sea? The answer will be, Dead Sea has the saltiest water of all the seas and oceans, which makes the water denser. As we know that any object can sink in water body if it has more density than water. The water of the Dead Sea is denser than human bodies, so no one can drown in Dead Sea. Now we will know the answer of what is evaporation. The process of conversion of water into its vapor is called evaporation. The process of evaporation takes place continuously wherever water is present. The process is continuous. Next question. Why did Gandhiji undertake the Dandi March? Very important question. Why did Gandhiji undertake the Dandi March? Gandhiji, along with several people, undertook Dandi March from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat to break the law made by the British that no one can make salt themselves. At that time, British made the law that no one can make salt themselves. So, to break that law, Gandhiji undertook Dandi March. Next question. How can salt be obtained from sea water? This is also a very important question. It is very important. Sea water is salty. It is known to everyone. It is salty. Sea water is salty. The sea water is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. So, in this way, we get the salt from the sea water. Why do clothes dry faster on sunny day than on a cloudy day? On sunny days, rate of evaporation is high and hence clothes dry faster. Water from the clothes evaporate faster on sunny days due to the heat of the sun, and hence clothes dry faster than on a cloudy day. Now we will do some fill in the blanks with the given words. Let us start. Aisha saw that at first the puri sank to the bottom of the pan. As the puri was puffed, it started floating on the oil. Second one, the dash sinks in water while the dash floats. So here it will be the soap cake sinks in water while the soap case floats. Third one, when Aisha put salt in the boiling water, egg started what? It will be floating. Fourth one, on stirring, sugar gets quickly dissolved in water. Fifth one, oil does not dash in water, so oil does not dissolve in water. Sixth one, the British made a law that people could not make salt even for use at home. This was the law made by the British at that time before independence of India. Seventh point, seventh number, Gandhiji undertook a march from Ahmedabad to Dandi in Gujarat and broke the law. Broke the law made by the British. Eighth one, the dash can be used to make salt. So the answer will be the sea water can be used to make salt. Next question, put a tick on the correct statements and a cross on the wrong ones. So first one, a puri will float in water. A puffed puri will float in water. So it will be right. At first it will float. Second one, a steel plate sinks in water. No, it is wrong. It will float. A plastic bottle cap floats in water. Yes, it is right. Dead Sea has the saltiest water of all the seas and oceans. Yes, it is right. Oil can easily mix with water. No, oil will not dissolve in water. Let us change it. Let us write dissolve. Next one, sugar and salt do not dissolve in water. It is false. It is wrong. Sugar and salt dissolve in water. So it is wrong. Salt is made from seawater. Yes, it is right. Sugar and salt do not dissolve in hot water. It is also wrong. Heating of the water or hot water will make the thing faster, make the process faster. It will dissolve faster. So it is also wrong.